Hey guys, it's Bree. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about eyelashes, and yes, I know I just posted my eyelash extension video, and that was more on afterwards of my whole journey, my whole experience, the pros and cons, everything I felt about getting eyelash extensions. So if you want to see that video, it is going to be linked down below, or it's going to pop up right above here. So go check it out if you haven't already. But today's video is going to be way different because not everyone wants to go spend money on eyelash extensions when they can easily do it at home for way less, and that's what this video is all about. Today is going to be me showing you guys a little how to get your natural lashes looking longer and make them look like you do have eyelash extensions on, because this is way simpler. You can do this every single day, literally every single day, and nothing's gonna happen to your natural lashes. But with eyelash extensions, for me, for my experience, I said in my video how they didn't ruin my natural lashes, so I didn't see trouble with my natural lashes. I just got it because I wanted to try it out one time, and it was for the holiday season. I just wanted to try it out, and my place was not as expensive as people spending $200 something. But anyways, you can go watch that video. Like I said, it'll pop up on the screen above, so go check that video out. But today I'm going to be sharing with you guys tips and tricks on how to get your lashes longer. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so first you're going to need just basic stuff. An eyelash curler. I don't use any specific brand, I just use whatever I have, and this is the one I have. So you just need an eyelash curler. You're gonna need mascara, of course. Honestly, I have so many mascaras, so I can say good things about a lot of mascaras, but the one that I've been loving right now is the Roller Lash by Benefit, and it just looks like this. You can pick this up. I picked this up at Ulta, but you can get it, I'm pretty sure, anywhere. And you're gonna need I wouldn't say you need, definitely, but I am going to be using a eyelash primer as well. This one is just by L'Oreal. So these three things, and then you're going to be needing a blow dryer. I'm sure maybe you guys have heard of this trick before, but I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how I do it, and you can just get any blow dryer, honestly, whatever works for you. So let's get right into it. Alright, I have my little mirror that I can't really lift up because it's broken on the bottom, so that's what I'm going to be using to look in. I'm also going to be looking in the viewfinder, so I'm going to zoom you guys in right now, and we're just going to get started on this. Okay guys, so I have you guys nice and zoomed in. I have my mirror ready, and first what you're going to do is you want to curl really, when you do end up curling, I'm just going to show you, you want to get as close to your tight line, which is over here, as possible, and you want to make sure that you get all of your lashes. So just make sure you're getting as close to the root as possible, because that is key. But first what you're going to do is you're going to take your blow dryer and put it on, and you're going to heat up your eyelash curler for a couple seconds. You don't want it to get too hot because you don't want to burn yourself, so let's just so you don't want to touch it to make sure it's not too hot. And then another key thing is going one lash at a time, so don't curl and then apply. You want to focus on one lash first. So I'm just gonna go back over it because I talked and got a little cool. Okay, and then you're gonna go right in. So you want to make sure it's not that hot. Try again. So you want to make sure you're getting really, and you want to keep pulsing it and make sure you're getting all the lashes, and lift your eye. hold it for a couple seconds and be sure not to pinch anything, so be very, very careful. Okay, so just look at how curled it is compared to this one. And now we're gonna go in with your primer. Again, you want to make sure you're getting in the roots and really go up and swivel. So make sure you're swiveling like this and like curling it up. And then you want to make sure you're getting it. Okay. You don't need to apply too much, but just enough. And then right away, you don't want to waste any time. You're gonna go in with, and the same concept is going like this and really blinking and getting again in the roots. So you want to open your eye. And it's okay if your eyelid gets mascara. And really focus on touching the root and like touching your tight line. And you see how I'm curling it? And then you need some more. And you want to go in here. And then okay, so now that you have your first coat, you kind of want to let it be for a couple of seconds. So just take a look at the difference already. This eye is not curled, not even done with one coat yet, and compared to this lash. Okay, so now let that cool for a little bit. You can also try doing your first coat like with the fan blowing, but it's fine if you don't. I'm not doing that. But now I'm gonna go in with another coat, and this time you really want to make sure you're getting the tips of your eyelashes now. So let's go back in. Really want to get the tips. And then now, well, this eyelash, this mascara is a little curved. I don't know if you can see. So I'm going to take the curved part, and you want to go over here from the other side, like above it, and curl them up. Just quickly. And now I'm going to just touch up. So this is basically the finished look. And you could put mascara on your lower lashes. I do sometimes, but this is not that for that video. I'm just talking about how to get your lashes longer and looking like you have eyelash extensions on when you don't. So the comparison versus. Alright guys, so I just went ahead and did the other side and they look so good. Alright guys, so that concludes my tutorial on how to get these really nice long lashes at home, really easy with mascara and not having to go get eyelash extensions but looking like you do have